Hello and welcome back to Crypto Novus News, where we try to bring you the top news stories of the day in the world of crypto. Today is Monday, April 5th, 2021, and if you haven't heard by now, you're hearing it now, that the total cryptocurrency market has finally hit $2 trillion, just doubling in the last 3 months. We're going to take a look at what that means, take a look at some top coins to watch during the week. But before we get into that, I want to give a shout out to my my personal nonprofit, Faith Finance. I'm the executive director of Faith Finance, where our motto is live faithfully today, live abundantly tomorrow. We help people manage their personal finances using biblical principles and can be found at faithfinance.org. So back to the crypto market. So the top headlines basically are market capitalization for all of cryptocurrency has finally hit 2 trillion. If you can remember, back in January, it was sitting at just around $1 trillion. And Bitcoin alone, the top dog, is sitting at 1.1 trillion all by its lonesome self. And this has been recorded on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, as well as Messari. And all three of those use different number of coins to monitor the market. Why is this happening? Well, what everyone is attributing this to, of course, is the Bitcoin bull run, the NFT hype, increased adoption and investment by the huge companies like the PayPal's and the Teslas of the world, and the MicroStrategies. Uh, Michael Saylor by himself has become a strong cheerleader of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market and is encouraging other large corporations to do the same, and they have indeed been following suit. If you can think about it, last year in April, Bitcoin was sitting at around $7,000. It is now sitting around 60,000. I think as of today, the actual price of BTC, as I'm giving this report, is actually 59,000. So there are some top currencies that we want to kind of watch this week. This is an article in Coin Telegraph, and essentially what they're saying is, of course, they want to watch Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, DOT, and believe it or not, all the way down here to number 23, EOS. So let's take a look at this quick article and see just high level what they're saying essentially. Bitcoin essentially is it's trying to bust through the $60,000 limit, and of course, the bulls are trying to break through, and the bears are trying to keep them resisting it. If Bitcoin plays out like it did 4 years ago, and like it did 8 years ago, and the other bull runs, April has always been a good month of growth for the crypto market in general. And right now they've got some target prices right here that said if the bulls can thrust above the zone, it could trap the bears, resulting in a possible short squeeze that could boost momentum, launching the BTC USDT pair towards a target of 69,000 and then maybe 79,000. So there's a lot of conversations that if Bitcoin can break through the $60,000 level, that we're looking at prices of 70,000, 75,000, and even as high as 80,000 or $83,000 is what I've seen. The other coin to take a look at is Ethereum. Now, everyone was wanting Ethereum to break through this upper trend line that we see here, and it finally did do, in fact, that. And now it's above 2,000. And so the next target prices for Ethereum is people are looking at seeing Ethereum get to about $2,600 is the next target price for Ethereum. As we scroll down, Binance Coin is the next one that they're looking to see some new all-time highs come from that one. And then we're looking at DOT. And DOT's kind of interesting to me. It had basically another upward trend line that it had to break through. It finally broke through that line. and the next target price for it is around $53, excuse me. And then the last one, of course, is EOS, and EOS, it popped through, it's reaching for another all-time high, and the price for there that we're looking at is somewhere between 764 and 869. As we go back and look at DOT, we can see that DOT is really trying hard to break through this, $44 line. It kind of wicked up to as high as 46. This is on the 4-hour. And then if we go back and we hit the day, it's done extremely well for the year. I mean, it started at the very, very beginning of the year at around $4, and it's already done a 10x for the year. So that's kind of it for today. Just a real quick highlight. Again, cryptocurrency market is doing extremely well. It has finally hit the 2 trillion mark, and you'll probably find several articles on this all day long today. Remember, Crypto Novus is where newbies become masters, and we'll see you all in the next video.